Hello and welcome to another telekinesis video. Today we're gonna talk about how important it is to train your focus. When it comes to telekinesis, or in fact any other important skills in life, it is important to be able to focus. You can't just try to do telekinesis and your thoughts, your mind, they're just wandering around elsewhere, to your girlfriend, to work, to school. No, that doesn't work. It all has to be focused to the object, to telekinesis, to your breathing, meditation, and then, only then, you can make an object move. I don't understand how you guys think that you can do telekinesis by being distracted all the time. I need you to find a better schedule, a better routine in your life where you don't distract yourself all the time. I want you to do something for me, because when it comes to telekinesis, you can use these lessons for many other things in life. Let me give you an example. Let's say you eat dinner, okay? You eat dinner by yourself and you're probably scrolling through Instagram while you're eating, or watching a movie, watching a show, listening to the radio, listening to music. I want you to do the opposite. When you eat dinner, I want you to focus on the dinner. Focus on the food. Focus on its flavor. Focus on the temperature of your fork or your spoon. The texture, how does it feel? I want you to be hypersensitive to those things. I want you to focus on that. And while you eat, I want you to focus on the flavor. I want you to focus on chewing properly, swallowing. Focus on drinking water. What way are you holding the glass? Does it maybe hurt your wrist? Maybe you should try another position. Maybe use the other hand. I want you to overthink all these things, at least for a while, so you learn how to focus on the most simple tasks in life. It could be eating dinner. It could be making your bed in the morning. I want you, when you do your bed in the morning, to do the best job you could ever do. I want this bed to be perfect. Focus on every line, everything, every sheet, pillow. I want you to be able to take a picture of your bed afterwards, and people could hang it in their museum. This is how pretty it is. Why? Because I need your mind I need you to train your mind to be focused and trained, okay? I know telekinesis might look easy on video for you, but it's not easy. It's far from that. After you trained your mind for years and doing all those exercises, yes, it's getting easier. But to get there, you need to learn how to focus. Because without focus, we're just distracted. We're lifeless zombies walking through the streets, looking at our phones, not realizing the beauty around us. I want you to think about that. Not just to learn telekinesis, to live a better life. Live a better life, because you deserve it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, and I hope you do, please let me know